Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I will be doing a Madam Glam unboxing of a set of polishes that Madam Glam chose to send me. Huge shout out to them. So these are the colors that they sent me. They sent me a top coat, and of course that is clear. Then they sent a base coat as well. They also sent 3 neutral colors. The first color is called Back to Cali, and basically it is a nice light pinkish purple looking color, and it's very, very pretty, as you guys can see here. The next color is called Coffee Time. And this color is super, super rich. It is a very, very nice chocolate color. It's very, very deep, very, very pretty. The color is so pretty. I can't wait to try it out. And last but not least, they sent the color Ballerina, which basically is similar to a off-white or a beige type of color. And this color is also very, very pretty. I just want to give a huge shout out to Madam Glam for sending me these gorgeous colors, these gorgeous polishes, and I cannot wait to try them out. Okay, so in addition to the nail polish that Madam Glam sent, they also sent over this cute little mini UV LED lamp. So I don't think I mentioned earlier that the polish that they sent is gel polish. So you are going to need a UV LED lamp in order for the polish to cure or dry. And as you can see, this is super cute, super compact. It's just so perfect. They also sent a USB cord to plug into the wall. Huge shout out to Madam Glam.